when you are programming efficiently, or you are finding a better solution for a complex problem, or cracking the interview for getting your dream job in the top product-based company. All these things, the data structures and algorithm plays a vital role. But learning data structures and algorithm is the difficult job, right? Hereafter, you just forget this. We are going to learn data structure and algorithm practically. Learn theory from the coding. That's the concept for us. We'll understand all the theory concepts visually while you're coding, like how the tree balancing will be, or how to insert the data in linked list. Why can't you wait further? Just subscribe my channel and start to learn data structure and algorithm from today.